Assalamu alaikum again, and a lovely, lovely, lovely morning to all of my students and whoever is watching this video right now. I hope and pray that you're enjoying your day, you're in good health, and you're all vaccinated. Right now we are in our arts class, the one which I even wait for and you even wait for. So we're going to have fun today, and we're going to do a little different today, which we have been doing before. So I thought of doing something different because I had something in my drawer. So I thought of using that. Yes, so we are playing with some nutshells today. So let's see what we're going to do today. As I told you that we will be working today with the shells. So the shells which I have today and I'll be using today, they are, I'm going to just show you right now. The shells which I am using today is, yeah, what are these? Pistachio shells, right? They are very pretty, they're very beautiful, they look beautiful. There are like many ways we can use them. So today I'll be using the very easy one. We can even like make very beautiful flowers out of these by using them very differently. So we'll be doing maybe later on that as well. But right now, today we are doing the very, very easy one. So for that, we'll be using these pistachio shells. I have this paper. I think, uh, how does this look like on this? I think we should take the black paper. That is going to look nice on it. So I have this black paper with me, and let's see, we're going to, we have to paste it. So for pasting, I will be using this glue gun, which has already, it's very hot right now. So I put them on like a couple of minutes before. So I'll be using this, but I think you should not be using this. You can even use like the normal Yoo-hoo stick or maybe any like clear glue because this is really, really hot. So first of all, we are just going to make three lines like this, okay? Like this, and a little curve like this. Okay, so I hope you can see these lines, right? I just made a sketch randomly. So we will be putting all the shells around it, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to put the shell like this and the other like this, okay? So we'll see if the shells are, the bigger ones will be at the bottom and the smaller ones we will choose for the bottom, okay? So what we're going to do is we're not going to put much of glue because it's really hot and I won't be able to hold it properly. So we're just going to put a little of the glue over here and then we will stick it over here, or otherwise what we can do is we can just put a drop over here, a drop of glue gun, sorry, hot glue, and then just stick it over here this way, okay? Now in the same way we will be like just taking the shells, like the bigger one for the bottom and the smaller ones for the, we should have chosen them, okay? So what we're going to do is we will just put the glue, oh yes, like this, and now we're going to put it over here, we're going to put it like this, oh yes, 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 okay? Okay, now another bigger one. Oops. Oh, I dropped it. Sorry. Okay, so we need to put another one in the glue. Okay, see? So this is the way very easily you will be able to put all the shells with the glue. Whatever shape you can give, you can like make small flowers out of it, right? You can paste them in the shape of flowers, or maybe like we are making the beautiful stem over here. Okay, right? Oh, this looks nice. So in the same way, we will be just putting all the shells over here. Okay. Hot glue holds it like firmly, so that's why I'm using it hot glue. This even dries quickly. The hot glue dries very quickly, so we are almost there. See? Yeah. So we can use the smaller ones because we are reaching off on top. Yay. Now we need the small ones. Okay, that's good. The smaller ones, yes, I need the smaller ones now. You should not throw the nut shells because they always look very nice if we use them somewhere, even if it's the almond shell or maybe it's the walnut, whatever it is, we can like use them very, very, very nicely. So here I am going to just put this top over here. Yes, okay. I hope that they're all being stuck nicely. Okay, nice. Right, so I hope you're done. Oh, wow, now look at this. This is how it is going to look at the end, right? You can even paint it. You can even like leave it like that, or you can paint any color. You can make it gold. You can color it like green, red, or leave it like that. That's up to you, right? So this is how we are going to use them. Okay, now what am I going to do is like this time I'm going to put a little more glue on both of the sides and try to do it quickly, so we are not going to waste a time, and we will make the other one very, very quickly. Okay, like this. Now this is a little different shape as compared to the first one we have made. So I'm just putting them like this. When the glue is hot, you are very it's easy to paste. So we need to do it very, very, very quickly. So this does not dry and we paste it easily, right? Yeah. Okay. So this is, let's see, this is a little different. The shape is a little different than this. These overlapping. So we are just going to put some more glue. Okay, yes. This, and then like this. like this. Okay. Yes. Let's finish it quickly because the glue is hot, and that's the best time you can paste it. Okay, this way. Oh, oops. Ah, this is really hot. So it's better that you don't use it because you can hurt yourself. Okay. So yes, quickly. Yeah, we are almost done. Almost. We are going to complete this. Yay. Okay. See, okay, that's great. It's not yet winter here, but this was, I have, the last winter I'm like eating them, and I then put them like that so I can like use it. Yay. So you see, they're all different. Oh, oops, no problem. We can even fix it again. I think there is less glue. Okay. That's great. So we have fixed it again, no problem. Okay. So see, there are like all different. The formation is different. I have tried to put them together. This here I have overlapped them. So this is how you can use them. And then later on you can even like put some kind of a gold. Like you can put something like this to make it a complete beautiful kind of picture, right? So you can make some flowers over here, like you just need to put, I'm not pasting them right now, but I'm just showing you how we can make flowers as well, like this, right? Like this. I need one more, like this. Okay, right? Yeah, see, now you can even make the flowers like this, as you can see over here. You can make the stems like this. So this is also a very nice indoor activity which you can make, and you can even make a couple of beautiful other things, other kind of flowers with them. So this is the arts class today. I like this color of the pistachio shell, so I'm going to leave it like that. I'm not going to paint it because I like them the way they are, the color they have, so I like the same color, so I'm not going to paint them. But it's up to you. If you want to paint them, you can even paint them nicely, whatever like you want to use them for. So that's up to you. So this was it for today's class. So I hope that you have liked this. Maybe you know all this about this before. So see, like a black background is giving it like a clear view of the how we have pasted it, and this looks very beautiful at the dark background. So this black background is giving it so nice, nicely done, and it is giving us it the real shape and the color it's showing. So this is how we have made today in an arts class. So I'm going to say goodbye from this class, and I'll see you inshallah next class. Till then, stay safe, be happy, and be grateful for whatever we have, and enjoy the indoor activities. So till we see each other, I'm going to say goodbye and Allah Hafiz.